Hi kids. How are you today? Today we will learn different informational signboards. These signboards provide helpful guidance to keep people safe in public places. These are the signs of hospital. This sign shows the direction of hospital and emergency zones. This is the sign of petrol pump. This sign shows that the location of a fuel station nearby. A parking area sign. This sign informs about parking areas or time limits. These signs show the school bus stop. It warns drivers to slow down and watch for children getting on or off the bus. A bus stop sign. It helps people find the correct place to wait for a bus safely. An airport sign. It helps travelers find airports or navigate inside them. A rest area sign. A rest area sign tells drivers where they can stop to rest and refresh during their journey. Sign of hotels. A hotel sign guides travelers to nearby places where they can stay and rest. Signboard of cafeteria. It helps people find a place to eat and enjoy meals. So kids, you learned different signboards today. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.